Section 1. A tropical duet. Mango and chia, a powerful pair. Mangoes, often called the king of fruits, offer not only a burst of flavor but also a wealth of nutrients. Chia seeds, revered as ancient superfoods, provide sustained energy and essential minerals. Together, they form a powerhouse of taste and health, creating a delicious synergy that nourishes your body. This simple combination, which can be easily prepared at home, should definitely be a regular part of a healthy lifestyle. Whether enjoyed as a refreshing drink or a satisfying pudding, mango and chia seeds complement each other perfectly. Today, we'll explore the individual benefits of each ingredient and delve into the scientific evidence supporting their combined health advantages. Get ready to discover the magic of mango and chia seeds, a delicious path to enhanced well-being. Moving on to Section 2. Mango powerhouse, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Mangoes are naturally rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They are an excellent source of vitamin C, which is a vital nutrient for immune support and collagen production. Mangoes also provide a good amount of vitamin A, essential for maintaining healthy vision and skin. Furthermore, mangoes contain folate, important for cell growth and development, and potassium, an electrolyte that helps regulate blood pressure. Beyond vitamins and minerals, mangoes are abundant in antioxidants like mangiferin, which has shown potential in protecting against oxidative stress and inflammation. And now, Section 3. Tiny seeds, mighty benefits, chia's nutritional profile. Don't let their size fool you. Chia seeds are nutritional giants. These tiny powerhouses are packed with both soluble and insoluble fiber, promoting digestive health and regularity. Chia seeds are also an excellent plant-based source of omega-3 fatty acids, crucial for heart and brain health. They are a complete protein containing all 9 essential amino acids, which are the building blocks of protein. Additionally, chia seeds are rich in minerals like calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium, essential for strong bones, teeth, and overall well-being. Section 4. Science backs the benefits. Research on mango and chia. Numerous studies highlight the individual health benefits of mangoes and chia seeds. Research suggests that mango consumption may improve blood sugar control, reduce cholesterol levels, and protect against certain types of cancer. Similarly, studies show that chia seeds can lower blood pressure, improve blood lipid profiles, and promote weight management. While research specifically on the combination of mango juice and chia seeds is limited, their combined nutritional profile suggests a synergistic effect. The fiber in chia seeds slows down the absorption of sugar from mango juice, preventing blood sugar spikes. This combination also provides a balanced intake of essential nutrients, contributing to overall health and well-being. Section 5. Refreshing and revitalizing. Enjoying your Mango-Chia Elixir. Making this nutritious and delicious drink is incredibly easy. Simply blend fresh or frozen mango with your preferred milk or water. Add a tablespoon or 2 of chia seeds and let the mixture sit for a few minutes until the chia seeds swell and create a pudding-like consistency. You can adjust the sweetness and thickness to your liking. For an extra flavor boost, experiment with other fruits, spices, or a dollop of yogurt. Enjoy your Mango-Chia Elixir as a refreshing breakfast, a healthy snack, or a guilt-free dessert. Section 6. A delicious step towards wellness. Incorporating mango juice with chia seeds into your diet is a simple yet powerful step towards a healthier lifestyle. This tasty combination provides a wealth of essential nutrients, supports digestion, and may offer various health benefits. So, why not give it a try? Embrace the tropical goodness of mango and the nutritional might of chia seeds. Your taste buds and your body will thank you. Remember, healthy eating doesn't have to be boring. It can be delicious, fun, and incredibly satisfying.